Hey guys, welcome to the next video, and today we're going to be doing ratios. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some theory, and this is from your textbook. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the first question it asks you, it says the two basic measures of liquidity are, and the answer for that would be B. Okay, try to answer it with me. Okay. Next, we're asked what ratio may indicate the firm is experiencing stock outs and lost sales, and it's given the following, and that would be B again. Alright. Next, it asks you for the ratio for poor collections and tax policy. If it's poor collections, remember, then it's going to be your debtors collection. It's in the word itself, right? It's literally the writing. Okay. For number 4, we're asked what ratios measure return. That would be D, profitability. You want to know what you're getting back. For number 5, operating profit, the definition. It's very important, and that would be A. Okay. For number 6, it asks what analysis involves a comparison of different firms' financial ratios at the same point in time, and that would be B. Finally, we got asked for number 7, what analysis involves a comparison of current to past performance and evaluation, and that would be A. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's move on. So firstly, we're given this table. Okay, have a look at this, and they're asked us to calculate the following. So we have our net margin, debtors collection, asset test, gross margin, creditors payment, and current ratio. So from this given information in exercise 2, I have drawn up this because the current assets, non-current assets, current liabilities and non-current liabilities was not given. Luckily in the exam it will be given. In any case, I have this, so I've done this table with the calculations. Okay, so have a look at this table and compare that with the information that's given right here. Okay, I just want to show it to you one more time. And before I show you the answers, pause the video and have a go at it. Okay, now then. Firstly, we did our current ratio, which is your current assets divided by your current liabilities, asset test, creditors payment, period, debtors collection, period, and so on and so on. And so this is how we did it. And for gross profit, we find, to calculate your gross profits, your revenue minus cost of sales. For cost of sales, we had purchases, opening inventory, closing inventory. We added those amounts together, and as you can see, we took sorry about this just came out. So what we did here, I'm not sure why it's not showing, but we took 765,000, we added 120,000, and we minused 150,000 to get this value. Okay, and then finally, to get our gross profit, we took 900,000 minus 795,000, getting back to where we were. So for 2003, these are the values we have for each thing. And for 2002, this is what we have. And so you'll find here for the debtors, for the creditors and debtors, All right, I've used or. Why? Because I do believe Sir did mention, he did say use 0, but I think in some of the examples that I have seen, I don't know, they just use the same value because we don't know what's coming afterwards. So I would stick with these ones where it's just one value divided by 2. But it's but yeah, I'm open to hearing what you'll have to say as well. And so if we use 0, then this is 31 days, and 65 days will be the answer. And if we use the same value 2 times, we'll have 61 days and 33 days. Okay. All right then. Next, this is what we're asked to calculate, the return on capital. Don't worry about that, just gross margin, current ratio, debtors collected, and inventory turnover. And so we're given this table, okay, statement of financial position, and they gave us the following information. So look here. Okay, and so from that, again, all we do is literally put your formula down first, and then literally just substitute the values. Okay, and once we do that, this is what we're given. Okay, all right, thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.